Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I will show you how you can make a cool, attractive pamphlet or brochure which can be used to market a product. In this example, I am using fruits to design a brochure for my grocery. I want you to learn these skills so that you can design yours for marketing a different product if you have. You could have products such as clothes, watches, even sports item you might want to market, and it is important for you to learn how to make yours as attractive as possible. I'm going to use MS Word and MS Publisher for the design work. I will come to more blank paper sizes and click. Don't double click, just click once so that it gives the option for choosing the page size you want. Now I will go ahead and choose a four landscape, this one. After clicking once, I will go and click create. Now you can see the blank paper sizes here. I can adjust the zooming a bit. The first thing I want to do is to split this A4 paper size into two, because my pamphlet or brochure will be folded into two pieces. Then it has two pages, the inner page and the outer page. So I will start by designing the outer page. I will point to this ruler. When it shows vertical guide, you press down the mouse button and drag and place it around 5 point something here, because the full size of the paper is around 11 point something inches. I will point again and pull another one and put it in the middle of the page. This space we are leaving it here for the folding work to be done on it. This is the part which will be folded, and we will not want to put any text or images in this part. I will begin by picking my image and putting it on the background of this page. So to do the background, I will click page design, background, then more background. I will choose picture. Then for the transparency, I want to adjust it to 30%. So I will just type there 30%. Transparency is how something can be seen through. 100% transparency means there is nothing being blocked and everything can be seen through it. But 30% transparency means only 30% can be seen through it. So I will click File to get the picture I want. I'm picking my picture and clicking OK. So you can see now I have a cool background, and this is the front page or the front part of the brochure and the back part. So this part will be the back part and this one will be the front part of the brochure when it is folded like this. So I will go to the front part of the brochure and I want to write something on top there. So I will just come to insert pick square shape. I will just trace that part and remove the outline from this outline. Then I want the background of that shape to be white, like that. I can adjust this a bit. Remember, what I am doing right now is the front part of the brochure. I will just copy this shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, to create the other part, which is the back part of the brochure. Now in the front part, I want a nice title for my grocery here, but I can not do it properly in MS Publisher. I want to do it in MS Word. Then I bring the curved text here. So I will start MS Word. Open my blank document. So I will come and insert a word art and call it sweet fruits grocery. I will go ahead and reduce the size for this text and click format. Choose a nice text fill. This is a text fill here. I want a nice green color, I think so. Let me just use brown. Then come to text effect here and choose a chap. Now I will print screen. I will take a picture of the screen by pressing the print screen button. Then I will go to MS Paint and paste that image so that I can now select and crop it. I can select that part, Ctrl C to copy, then switch to Publisher and paste it in Publisher. I will come and grab a picture on the desktop which I downloaded from internet. Always resize your pictures at the corners. This is a picture of apples. I will add a nice effect here. I think that one is okay with me. Then I can write a message down here, insert text box. Increase the size of the font. We sell a variety of fruits in our grocery. such as, so I will do something to this font, choose a nice one here, but the type of font must be clear and readable. If it is not readable, it will miss the purpose of communication. Let me just choose this one and make it bold and reduce the size to be in one line, and agree such as. Now I want to go ahead and list my fruits. This shape is moving, it should not move. We should always check that everything is well balanced in the middle. Below here, I want to insert fruits list. So I will use insert shapes, round shape, and press shift to get a perfect circle. I want to remove the outline from that shape, and I want to fill it with green color. Then I can now take this text box, copy it and paste it. And write inside here apples, such as apple. I will press Ctrl and select these two. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and put the other one down here. And write here pineapple. I can have here avocado. Ctrl V to paste, then position it down here. And have this as tangerine. So this is the front part of my pamphlet about fruits. Then at the back, I can write here, just copy this text and paste and move this one. This is now the back side. This is the back side of a pamphlet. Squeeze this so that I leave the margin lines, the guidelines for the folding part. Contact as on the following. And here we can have our contacts. For the contact, I will want to use a shape. I will go ahead and get the shape here. Can get a nice one like this. then remove fill, then I can give it a green color, then copy this text and paste it here below, and not make it bold now. I can have here email, info@grocery.com, and position the text. Then I will copy this shape and the text box, and I don't want to copy the other things, only these two. Control C, Control V, and position it below here, and I can give this telephone, that is the back side of the pamphlet. This is the front part. So I'll bring in a picture, I'll bring in a shape here, insert shapes, and I can have my parallelogram here. I will grab it here and tilt it. And squeeze it, tilt it a bit, move with the arrow keys. I will remove the outline from this. Now outline. Then I want to fill this with the picture of the background. Okay, to get transparency, I can just right click it, format auto shape, and set transparency to 30. Now squeeze it to be very thin. I will copy this and paste it again and paste it again like that. To create a nice pattern. Finally, I will just duplicate this, insert duplicate page to create the inner parts of the brochure. I will go ahead and delete all this. So I will go ahead and bring in my pictures. Put my apple here. I will come to the back side and put a picture here below these shapes. I will just click insert picture, then I get a picture of watermelon. I put the watermelon there. So finally you can see my brochure is complete, but not 100% complete. I will go to the inner part and insert names here. I can go to insert text box, right here Apple, increase the size and make it maybe red color, and choose a nice font. Okay, let me go with that. And finally, pineapple. Just like that. So this is the inside part of my marketing brochure, and page 1 is the outer part. The outer part has the front page and the back page, and I have the inner part with 2 pages, left and right page. This is how you make a marketing brochure easily using MS Word, MS Paint, and MS Publisher. Please go ahead and try this, and see you next time. Bye bye.